Good morning, family. Look at that bird in our yard. So he is on top of our um, dragon fruit. Yeah. And that's that. Wow. He is actually perching in there. He's fat. Look like a girl bird. All right, so today is December 20. Merry Christmas, family and friends. This is my garden. I just came up from work. And I see that bird like, oh, wow. So that's God's creation there, family. And it's starting to cold now. To get colder in Florida now. And that's the side of our... And look at that. I have a sugar cane. But that bird is enjoying the view. He is right there. And that's my yard. We're putting away the mold. So I'm gonna go to bed because I'm working tonight. You have a blessed day. Merry Christmas. We're thankful that Jesus was the gift for all of us. Yeah, that's a fat one. So you have a blessed day. Bye.